Today I want to share with you a great solution from the folks at Bona to quickly clean your hard surface floors like stone, tile, laminate, and vinyl. Assembling the Bona Premium Spray Mop is super simple and takes only minutes. Let's get started. First, set the mop base down with the Bona logo facing forward. Hold the lower mop pole at the bottom with the silver release button facing forward and guide the connector piece into the base until you hear a click. Next, insert the upper spray mop handle into the lower pole by aligning the similar profiles and pushing together until you hear a click. The Bona Premium Spray Mop comes with a microfiber cleaning pad that is both reusable and washable. To attach, simply lay the pad on the ground with the Bona logo printing facing up, then place the mop base squarely on top of it. To remove, peel off slowly from one of the corners. Lastly, let's attach the refillable cleaning liquid cartridge. Remove the cap from the cartridge and insert the cartridge into the holder until you hear a click. To remove the cartridge, just press the silver release button and pull straight up. The cartridge can be filled with any of your favorite Bona floor cleaners. That's it! We're ready to clean. Bona has designed the mop to ensure you get a fine mist every time so your floors don't get oversaturated. A feature I love is the extra large base plate for quicker cleaning and the flexible corners that protect my baseboards and furniture from getting damaged. I also love the secondary foam grip for those stuck-on messes that need a little extra work. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy your Bona Premium Spray Mop. For more information on this and other Bona products, visit bona.com.